The AI lead. If AI is everyone's job at your company, then it becomes no one's job. Here's a move. Pick one person. The rule is to test tools, build internal use cases, train the team, not a department, not a committee, one owner. Here's the aha moment. Treat AI like ops or finance. Someone has to be accountable for ROI. Here's a key takeaway. Appoint an AI lead this week. Give them time, a budget, room to experiment. Number 2, where to look first. Want to find where AI fits in your business? Don't guess. Watch. Look at where your team repeats themselves. Same responses, same tasks, same friction. That's your AI roadmap. Every annoying task is a potential AI use case. Here's a quick takeaway. Audit one role in your company, document every repeated task, and automate the top 2. Number 3, start with one workflow. The best AI strategy starts small. Take one thing your team does each week, like summarizing meetings, notes, prospecting leads. Use AI to automate 80% of it. Test it. Done is better than perfect. Most wins don't require new tools, just new thinking. Key takeaway. Pilot one automated workflow. Show results and then scale it. Number 4, the prompt libraries. Most teams use AI once and then forget it. Here's how you fix that. Build a prompt library. Real prompts organized by team, shared across the entire company. It turns AI into infrastructure. A good prompt used by 10 people equals 10 times the output overnight. You can create a shared doc of winning prompts. Start with sales, marketing, operations. Number 5, run weekly AI experiments. You want your team to actually use AI? Give them permission to play. 30 minutes a week, pick a tool, try something new. Share what worked, and that's it. That's the moment. Small experiments build internal confidence, not training, not PDFs. Block weekly AI lab time. This is where they find scale across your business. Number 6, train AI in your business. You already have all the answers. AI just doesn't know them yet. Feed it your docs, your SOPs, your FAQs. Use tools like ChatGPT or Claude. Now your team can search the knowledge like Google, but in your voice. You don't need to build a chatbot, you need to organize your thinking. Here's a key takeaway. Start training AI on your internal knowledge. It becomes your second brain. Number 7, rebuild one thing as an AI first project. Here's a thought experiment. If AI was your co-founder, how would you redesign your offer? Take one product or service and break it apart. Rebuild it from the ground up, AI first. AI doesn't just make things faster, it makes new things possible. Quick takeaway, redesign one offer assuming AI runs 80% of the work. What's now scalable? Number 8, set guardrails, not hype. AI without boundaries equals risks. Don't just tell your team to use ChatGPT. Tell them where it's okay, tell them where it's not, what needs review, what stays human. Culture grows faster when there's clarity, not hype. Write one-page AI guideline doc. Clarity gives people confidence. Number 9, make AI visible. Here's what made AI stick on our team. A simple Slack thread. Once a week, here's what we tried, what worked, and what didn't. Everyone learned together. Visibility drives adoption. It's not tools, it's a conversation. Start an AI wins thread. Make innovation something people see. Number 10, tap into private AI communities. The best AI ideas don't come from YouTube or LinkedIn. They come from builders, the quiet ones. Join niche, Discord, or Telegram groups, founder Slack circles, and watch how they work. The stuff you find there are 6 months ahead of the feed. Here's a key takeaway. Join 1 or 2 private AI communities. Don't talk, just watch, and you'll see what's next first.